you know,
Eh.
when I when
I
I
was a
first
little
rolled out,
intimidated when I seen it, bro.
yeah, like I've been on a couple majors on my last couple bigs. I've been to Southampton, I've been to Sussex, but Greensboro's a whole different animal, because there's so many dudes on there that the police have no control of that over. Not really.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's a 24/7 party, man. But the only thing about Greensboro, when shit gets, when it gets live, it gets live.
It
And
does, man. There's a lot of lifers and there's a lot of gang activity in there for sure.